if you're a mom, I'm gonna show you guys how you can grab these products for only 50 cents. Yes, so you can grab a pack of wipes, 56 count, for only 50 cents. All right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video today. Yes guys, I am heading into Walgreens. Well, I've already gone to Walgreens. So if you got one of the boosters, when you spend a penny, you get back $5 in Walgreens cash. I'm gonna show you how you can put that to great use if you wanna pick up some wipes. So if you guys are new, welcome. Just take a moment to subscribe if you have not. If you have, thank you guys so much for subscribing and tuning into another video. I want to let you guys know I really appreciate you tuning in and watching. I do take the time to read all of your comments as well as respond as soon as I can. So thank you guys so much for always doing that. So Walgreens dropped a crazy booster. So I have a couple of accounts, so I got it on 3 of my accounts. So so disclaimer is not every account is gonna get the same boosters. So I have an account that I barely get boosters on, but I make it work the best way that I can. So yeah guys, I'm gonna show you what you can grab with this product and a different deal that I kind of did today, and a little mistake that I made. So I'm gonna share those with you as well. Just to let you guys know, this is what couponing is all about, right? What you want to learn is the basics, what works for you and what doesn't, and learn from your mistakes. And for me, you know, when I make a mistake, it's okay because I get to learn from that and also share it with you guys as well. So yes guys, let's head into Walgreens and then I'll show you guys my receipt in a little bit. Putting together another spend 30 plus that spend coupon we got. When you spend a penny, you get back $5. So I'm gonna start here with the spend 30. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of these essential oils. They are $12.49 and they're buy one get one free. So I think I grabbed this one last time in the lavender. So I think I'm gonna grab these 2 again. I don't know how this smells. This says heal, but anyways, I'm gonna look and see which 2 I'm gonna grab, and I'll show you guys the other items I'm grabbing. Guys, so the other item I'm grabbing is gonna be on the blink. There are $8.49, and then we do have a $4 IVC as well as a $3 coupon. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. Like item. You can grab any of the vitamins product, which I'm kind of not happy about that the vitamins, the rebate on Fetch is gone, as well as on Ibotta, but this is a great one to throw in because we have a high value coupon. All right guys, so the next item I'm grabbing is gonna be 2 of the Always pads. Those are always also included. These are priced at $7.49, and these are regular price. So if you want to use a 20% on this item, but I'm not going to because I need my total to be over $30. So this is everything that I'm gonna grab on the spend 30. We do have a $5 off of 2, as well as a $2, not $2, as well as a $3 coupon. But I always have a hard time having both of the same coupons attached, so I'm only grabbing 2. We have $5 coming off here and $3 coming off here. Now, my spend 30, I'm calculating that after my $4 come off for the store coupon, so that doesn't short me $30. All right, guys, so I am changing my mind on this deal here, and I just started, so hopefully this is not going to be confusing. So I'm going to grab 2 of these at $5.79 because the $3 coupon is only attaching to this bigger size one, so I'm going to grab that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the essential oils back. So I'm gonna put the essential oils back, and I'm gonna grab another one of the blank. That's $13.49. So, and I'll be able to use the 20% off coupon on these products here. So, the 3 pads and 2 of the blank is gonna total me $30 and 96 cents, and then I'm gonna have a $3 coming off here, $5 off of 2 or 3 of the blink, and another $3 off the blink. So that's gonna leave me to pay about $17. And if the P&G promotion is still working, I should be able to still get back the $5 because after the 20% off coupon, I'm still at about $16. So I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, here is the other blink item I'm grabbing. They do have a separate $3 for this one. So there's one for this one and one for that one as well. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 3 more of the Colgate so I can get a higher value coupon. Oh, look at this new packaging with the Colgate. This looks neat. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna grab 3 of these. There are $3.99, and then we do have a 5 off of 3, and then we are getting $5 back for buying 3 of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of the Huggies. They are priced 2 for $6, and we do have a 2 off of 2 that's attaching to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this product. So when you're scanning it, the coupon does not show, but what you need to do is put it in your cart and see if any coupons show up. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So when you are in the Walgreens app, you wanna just open up that scanner, and then it's gonna pull up the item. And then as you guys can see here, it shows that they are 2 for $6, but there's no coupons that's showing up. So what you wanna do is you wanna add the item to your cart. I'm adding 2. As you guys can see, and then I'm gonna go over to my cart. Now when I get over to my cart, you're gonna notice I have a whole bunch of items there, but I had already added 2 just to verify that those coupons were there. But you want to add the number of items that the coupon is supposed to attach to. So in my case, I wanted to attach to 2 of the products, and as you can see here, there it is, $2 is attaching to those products. So typically when I click on that, it doesn't show me anything, but that's how you find that. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the bar soap. These are $9. They're a little bit more pricier, but my sister liked these, so I'm gonna grab 2 of them. They are $9, so 2 total me $18. So if I add this in, it's gonna take me over $60, well $66. I'm gonna do the wipes in a different transaction. I'll probably just do it by itself, and then yeah, I'll show you guys that receipt with the spin, the penny item. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that separately, but I'm gonna go ahead grab the Dove. We do have the $7 that's attaching to it, the Colgate, the pads, as well as the eye drops. So that's gonna bring me to $60 and some change. And then I'm gonna use the $9 when you spend 40 to get back $9. So, but I'm going through contactless pay, so I can use $20 in Walgreens cash. So after all of the coupons come off, I should be down to pay $14.56. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in 2 of these manufacturer coupons to take off $10. So I could also throw in a store coupon, but at my store, I cannot use a store coupon along with a 20%. I know some people can, but my store I can only use one or the other. So this 20% will work with my $9, but and my $9 would work with this one, but all 3 of them would not work. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm gonna use my $5 store coupon to purchase the Huggies, and I'll pay the $1 out of pocket, not using points or anything like that. And then I'll show you guys that receipt. I should get back $29 in Walgreens cash. So we're getting 10 for spending 30, $9 here, and $4 here, as well as my $6 digital booster. And then if that P&G is still printing, I should get another $5 here and $5 for the Colgate. So here is the receipt for the Huggies. I grabbed 2 of those at $6. You know what didn't come off is that coupon, right? And I think the reason why it kicked it off is because I had the $5 store coupon. Anyways, but yeah, $5 here, and then paid $1.07 out of pocket. And then let me show you guys back what I got. $5 in Walgreens cash. Yes, guys, $5 in Walgreens cash. This is also a Fetch product, so you want to submit your receipt over to Fetch. Right now, I'm tracking for a Fetch points when I spend 20 in Walgreens. Nope, when I spend 20 in Huggies wipes, I do get back a $2 from Fetch. So I'm tracking to it. Here is my second transaction, which I believe the mistake I made here was grabbing the Dove, and I have yet to confirm that it's not part of the promotion, but I feel like the system was a little bit screwed up. But I think that's probably one of the things that threw me off. But here's the Colgate, here's the Dove, here's the Always, as you guys can see, utilizing those 20% off. And then here is the coupons that I used. These were the register rewards that I used, all of the e-coupons right here that you see. So $7 for the Dove, $5 for the Always, $5 for the Colgate, $3 for each of the Blink, and that $5 another manufacturer coupon that I gave her because the other $3 for the Always didn't come off, which I kind of thought it wouldn't, but I went ahead for it and used it anyway. So my total was like $9. And I was like, can I give you one of these? And she was nice enough to enter it for me manually. So I paid $4.14 out of pocket. So $2 and some change without tax. So look, guys, I only got back $11 in Walgreens cash. And I was like, what happened? I was supposed to get back $29, right? But I only got back $11. And I need to call customer service to see what I missed. And I told him that I should have at least gotten back the $9 and the $10. And I went back to scan those Always products to make sure that they were attaching to the health and wellness, and they are. So I don't know what happened, but he was nice enough to give me $10 in store. But I'm also gonna call customer service to see what I got points back for, and as well as what I'm missing, and see if I can get $3 credit here. So I'm gonna call. By the time I process the video, I'll let you guys know what I got back. So yes, guys, I called customer service and I really screwed this up, right? That was completely my fault. So when I calculated the 20%, it took off a little bit more than I intended for it to. So I'm going to put the totals up on the screen. So my total for my spend 30 came under $30. I think it was like 80 cents short or something like that. So then in return, that put me short for the spend 40 because I used 20 in Walgreens cash. So I only got back $6 for spending 25, and as well as $5 for spending 20 on health and wellness. But he was kind enough to credit me $20 to my account, which I was so happy that he did. He didn't even like really look into it. He just looked up the boosters and he credited me $20. But that was completely on my part. Typically, when my transaction is so close, if it's not at least 62 dollars or more, sometimes I won't even add it because a stupid coupon will just come off without you thinking about it. So I would normally take the time to add more things, but I didn't do that this time. So yeah, guys, you always want to make sure your totals are over the amount that you need to spend so you don't end up like me. And the Dove body wash, bar soap, I think is not included at all. So anyways, yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.